Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a little bit of work on the Firebird. I'm going to be throwing some different mufflers on that I bought a while back for it. And if the stuff from Summit gets here, I should have the fittings I need to get the rear brakes plumbed and everything. So that's what's going on. I'm getting ready to leave to go to town to grab some header paint, because these mufflers, well, I can't even really call them mufflers. They're circle track mufflers. They're straight through. They're made out of just pieces of exhaust, basically welded together to look like a muffler. And I'm hoping they would be good enough that I won't get a ticket if I get pulled over. Here they are. They've been sitting in the house in a box, and they're already like rusting, surface rusting. But like I was saying, I don't know if you can consider that a muffler or not, but I'm gonna give it a try. Watched a review and guy said that at least at idle it helped. But anyway, so that's what I got going on. I'm getting ready to head to town, and yeah. Hey, well, I got back from town, got pretty much everything I needed to get done. The bank was really busy, and I was just trying to use the ATM to deposit some money, but whatever, I didn't get that done. That doesn't matter. But so what I got going is I put the first coat of this header paint on there. It doesn't look fancy or anything, but it'll do. I'm going to throw another coat on it, and then after that, throw them on the car. I'm still waiting on my stuff from Summit, so I don't think I'm gonna get to the brakes and stuff today, because it gets dark at like 5 o'clock. And well, just got done putting the second coat on these things, trying to help them dry since it's not exactly warm weather right now. Yeah, then I'll throw them on the car. Well, I got the mufflers on now. I don't think my package is gonna show up. They say they ship till 6, but anyways, here's, on the dead at least, what it looks like. Kind of hard to see. Where's that button? Well, on this side, this was actually hitting. I bent it up a little bit since this fender's the one that's already kind of screwed up. And then I just have a band clamp on it. But good fucking enough. I'm gonna start it up for you guys so you can hear it. It's probably just gonna sound about the same as open header, but whatever. Hopefully this thing starts. God damn, I need a new battery. This is ridiculous. Well, I got the Challenger hooked up to it so I can jump start it. This battery needs replaced. Either that or I don't have a good enough ground or something. I don't know. But let's see if that was long enough. Shit. Oh. Unfortunately, that's where I'm going to end off this episode.